Monday is Martin Luther King Day, and today the city of Toledo and the University of Toledo announced their joint plans to commemorate the day. This will mark the 19th year that the city and the university are working together for the Unity Day celebration at Savage Arena. This year's theme is Dream, Believe, Do. Toledo Mayor Wade Capsicavert says Dr. King's message and his actions can be an example for all of us in these partisan political times.
That you can be political, you can have political beliefs, you don't have to be partisan. No less than Martin Luther King, in fact, publicly supported both Republicans and Democrats. He supported the truth and justice and progress, and those things don't wear a red sweater or a blue sweater of partisanship. They wear a red, white, and blue sweater of Americanism.
And the Unity Day celebration begins at 9 Monday morning, continues until 11 o'clock at Savage Arena. Features a free community breakfast to begin, and it is open to the public. It is really an inspiring event happening once again Monday to mark MLK Day.